Hey guys, whenever you try to install Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime, here you face this error. Installation failed. The Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime is already installed for the system. So how to fix this error? So without any further ado, let's start the video. First of all, press Windows plus R button on your keyboard and here type this text and hit enter. Here click on yes. Here just simply click on local machine. Next click on software. Then scroll down and here click on WoW 6432-bit node folder. Then scroll down a little bit. Here click on Microsoft. Then also scroll down a little bit. Here click on Edge Update. Here click on Clients and here delete these folders. Once deleted, just simply close this window. Here click on this button and here click on Restart your system. Once the system restored, just simply right click on it and here click on open and wait for the installation window to pop up on your screen. And here you can see the software installed successfully. If this video helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.